Hey guys, welcome to the adventures. So last week we did a video midweek because we actually had the whole week off and we were working on the church that we've started, and that was fun and exciting. But in the week before that, I had asked you guys a ton of questions in regards to cooking in the cab, grocery shopping, what that currently looks like for you. And I want to just give you a big thank you and a shout out to all of the people that weighed in on that, gave your feedback, offered me a glimpse of what it looks like for you guys. Thank you so much. There's so much valuable information. Some of you guys are home every couple days. Some of you guys have wives that prep the food for you. Some of you do meal prepping ahead of time. Some of you are like us and just bring some food and cook from scratch and restock every week. Some of you guys are out for a couple months at a time. And so it's a really big wide range. So I want to give one last follow-up question to that before I take this to the next step, just so I can get a little bit more feedback. Or maybe you didn't get to watch that video. I'll leave that in the link down below so that way you guys can check it out. But if truck stops offered groceries on a reasonable amount of currency, like, would you shop at the truck stops? So that way you would be able to fuel, shower, and then go grocery shopping all in a one-stop shop. Is that something you would do? I know some of you were like, there's not enough people out here eating healthy that the truck stops wouldn't do it. I'm not giving up on that. I want to change that, what that looks like, and help change the industry. So tell me, if that was something available to you and it was affordable, would you take advantage of it? I know we would on occasion, because there is that time sometimes that we forget something, or I might be wanting to change up the meal and the menu a little bit, and I could use a little bit of ingredients. So I'm even talking about having frozen meats in a freezer section, having fresh produce, things like avocados and limes and peppers, some fruit, and then of course your canned goods staples, even flour and sugar, some spaghetti sauce and noodles and things like that. Would you guys take advantage of that? I want to know. So once I continue to gather this information, I'm going to be sending off an email to Casey Phillips on Road Dog Trucking Channel and see if we can get this on the air and open it up to a bigger platform and see what people are saying. And then from there, I'd love to take it to possibly some of the truck stops. So that's what I've been working on. But it is Valentine's Day, and so Scott's out of the truck right now. He's feeling a little bit under the weather. Just from going and doing so much and just being out of the truck, we're out in the environment, and so he picked up a bug. Hopefully he's feeling better. It does take some planning. I did post on Facebook and Instagram a video that I did a couple years ago about Valentine's Day and trying to make it special in the truck, and I did a candlelight dinner, and so I've snuck candles on the truck. I have all the stuff I need, and I'm going to make some surf and turf. So some steak and shrimp and some asparagus with potatoes, and that's going to be dinner. And I'm going to do some roses made out of bacon for breakfast. So I know I'm a little extra, but you guys, I want to encourage you as a husband and wife, it's you know, to really take time and do something special. And so this video isn't going to air till Friday. This is on Tuesday that I'm making the video for you guys, because I have to plan out my timing and scheduling when it comes to making the meal. So tomorrow's time will be taken up with that. But I want to encourage you guys, be boyfriend and girlfriend, not necessarily husband and wife. Do the things that you used to do when you were cute and you were dating and adorable and you were trying to get one another's attention. Don't stop doing that stuff. Scott surprised me with flowers, and funny enough, I got him flowers. Every once in a while I'll get him some flowers or whatnot. I get him more manly ones, oranges, yellows, things like that. But it's just a sweet gesture. So even if you didn't do something for Valentine's Day, don't worry, there's still time. Do it this weekend, celebrate this weekend, or just do a random hot date and surprise one another. It will really, really go far. Don't feel like that you have to stop enjoying things at home just because you're on the road, you guys. So yeah, happy Valentine's Day. We love you guys. Thank you for being a part of our life. You guys add so much great value, and you guys make the channel worth doing and filming these videos. So thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys be safe, and make sure you check out Facebook and Instagram so you can see what that dinner checked out. And I'm going to put some B-roll in here as well so you guys can see what that dinner really looked like. But all right, guys, we love you and be safe. Bye.